Dear students, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about devices and emerging bus standards. So what are the communication from serial devices? In previous video lecture, we discussed about communication from serial devices. We have three parts, UART and SPI, I to C. Now we are going to concentrate on UART. So let's discuss. So Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter UART means it has both receiving function and also transmitting function. Hardware that translate between parallel to serial forms. Parallel data communicated converted into serial data. Commonly used in a conjunction with communication standards such as EIA, RS-232, RS-422, RS-485. The universal designation indicate that the data format and transmission speeds are configurable and that the actual electrical signaling levels and methods such as differential signaling typically are handled by a special driver circuit external to the UART. Each character is sent as a logic low first start bit, a configurable number of data bits, usually 7 or 8 or 5 times, an optional parity bit. One more logic high stop bits are available with a particular bit timing. So, baud sample. So in this diagram we can see a frame format, start and stop bits are available. So number of data bits from 0 to 7, 8 data bits are available. Variation and fun times. UART is actually a generic term that includes a large number of different devices standards. First we have to concentrate on RS-232, it's a standard that specifies electrical characteristics and timing of signals, the meaning of signals, and the physical size and the pin out of connections. So UART signals only most common or received signal, transmitted signal, ready to send, clear to send is available. First we have to concentrate on RxD signal, that means received signal. Is a signal receiving the data. This will be an input and it's usually connected to the transmitted line of the downstream device. The transmitted signal of a UART is a signal transmitting the data. This will be an output and is usually connected to the RxD line of the downstream device. The RTS, ready to send a signal of UART, is used to indicate to the downstream device that device is ready to receive data. This will be an output and is usually connected to the CTS. CTS means clear to send. So clear to send a signal of UART is used by the downstream device to identify that is okay to transmit to the update upstream device. So this will be an input and is usually connected to the RTS signal. So in this diagram we can understand DTE versus DCE, point out of the DCE and common ground, after that noise effects. So here we have a waveform for RS-232 transmission of the letter J. How the letter J is transmitted through RS-232. So we have a logic 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. So we have a plus 5 and 12 plus 12 volt is there. So first star 1 is high bit, after that 2 0 it is indicated in the low bit, then high 0 low 1 high 0 0 it is mentioned in the low format. Okay, students, in this waveform first start bit is the low bit and end bit is the high bit, so just opposite of this signal. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept of UART, how fast we can run UART, what are the limitations of UART, and why do we need start and stop bit in UART is available, how many data bits can be sent. So thank you students. Have a great day. We discussed about serial communication devices. First one is the UART, SPI, I2C. Today we discussed about UART. In later class we will discuss about SPI and I2C. So thank you all.